If you want to learn AI in 2026, this video is a goldmine for you because today I'm going to share 5 best courses on AI for absolutely free. This is the only video you need to become top 10% of the AI user so you can integrate AI in your personal life, business and professional life. I will also share a lot of details during the video, so don't skip any part and let's start it. So the first course you should be taking is learning prompt engineering from Code Academy. So I also have a course on YouTube where you can learn about prompt engineering. But if you want to go in the depth of like zero shot prompting, one shot prompting, and chain of thought prompting, and want to like go a lot deep, this course is for you. It's absolutely free course. You can start. And here is the syllabus. Like there are 4 parts, and at the end you can also get the certificate if you want to go with the pro or plus. It's a 3-hour course, and you will be creating 3 projects. You don't have to be a AI expert to learn from this course. So it's a beginner level course, right? You can take this course if you are just starting out. So the second course is not a very long course. It's just a 27-minute YouTube video from a YouTube channel which is explaining how transformers work. If you don't know about transformers, it's a heart of LLMs. All the LLMs you know, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they are working on this concept. If you can understand this, it will be very helpful for you to understand the AI in more depth. You just have to spend 27 minutes. This channel did a great job to explaining it, how it works, and it's like very important to know about how AI is making decision nowadays, and this video did a great job, and that's why I included this video in the top 5 courses. Highly recommended video, please go and check it. The third course is Vibe Coding 101 with Replit. This course is from Deep Learning AI and you can enroll for free. This course is like around for 2 hours with 7 lessons, and it will teach you how you can do the vibe coding using Replit. If you don't know Replit is a vibe coding tool like Lovable or Bolt.new and all other tools. In the entire course, they will teach you like the fundamental concept of vibe coding, how you can start vibe coding with Replit. There are a lot of concepts in this course which you can apply to any vibe coding platform. It's not necessary that you just do with the Replit, and you can also see the instructors. They are very well known, like the president of Replit and head of developer relation at Replit. So you can understand the level of course, right? And it's absolutely free. Highly recommend if you want to build anything using coding or you want to try vibe coding. Go and check this out. The next one is bit technical. The fourth course is generative AI course from Microsoft. If you are someone who is interested in learning a Gen AI, this one course is absolutely must to do for you. In this course, you will understand how Gen AI works, how you can work around the Gen AI. Like all the AI wrappers you see on the internet can be built by Gen AI learnings. So it's very important. I also created a video where I'm explaining a Gen AI roadmap. You can watch that video out also, how you can learn Gen AI. So it's a bit technical. If you are someone who love to build things out and you are a technical person, this course is for you. You can ignore this course if you are not that much technical, because of course this call will be having some technicalities which you have to bear if you are like enrolling this course. But next course is banger and one of the best course I can recommend. It's a Cloud Code in action. If you don't know the Cloud Code, it's one of the most powerful tool out there to write code using AI. If you want to learn about Cloud Code, this is the only course you need. It's an absolutely banger course. You can see all the things you will learn in this course, and this course is around like 50 lecture, around 1 hour of video content and certification at the end, which is not that much important. You can get if you want, right? But if you are not using Cloud Code and you are like running a business or a professional who are doing their work, Cloud Code is a very important tool. Just go and check it out, how you can use it in your daily life, because it's a great tool. And I think you should take this course if you want to learn a lot about Cloud Code. We are also creating a full course on Cloud Code. If you don't want to wait, you can just go and enroll in this course and learn about Cloud Code, how it works, and set up it out. Start using this amazing technology today. So these are the 5 courses. I will put all the links in the description. Please go and check them out. And if you can complete these courses, you will be ahead of 90% people who are using AI right now, because they are just using from the surface level. They don't understand it from the depth. Thanks for being with me till the end. And if you want to learn more about AI, this channel is for you. Just subscribe this channel, go visit the channel, and you will find out a lot of other AI videos which is very helpful for you. And I will see you in the next AI video.